Welcome Warriors, I'm Blake the Airsoft Warrior, and you're watching Airsoft Warrior TV. At this round at Intrigue Airsoft in Kansas City, Missouri, we're playing High Value Target. In this round, our goal is to keep the enemy's HVT from reaching the back corner of the field.
Enemy down! Hit! Chief with you. Guy on left. Guy on left. Watch out, light. Left side, left side. He's flashing there. He's flashing. Enemy down! Left side's clear. Enemy down. There's a guy with the light, green room, light and green room. Watch it, watch it. Lots of ricochets. White and green room, he's in there. He's still in that green room, guys. Still in the green room. Got us locked down on this side. There's two windows on the right side. They're feeding around, so they're... Guy on right side, guy on right side. Hit, I'm calling that one. Hit. That was definitely a hit. Right behind you, man. Okay. Watch that corner on the left side.
Yeah, he's on there. I'm out.
I think we got a guy here on the right side. Chief, is there a guy on the right? I'm watching this side. People are getting hit through there. Guy on left side, right side. Right side, green room, right side, green room. Chief. Chief, they're working the right side in that green room over there. Coming down. Watch that side. They're coming through there. Right side. Okay. We got a guy up in center. I haven't seen the HVT yet.
I have.
Okay.
They try and push this side.
A lot of earth shit, my man.
We're getting really heavy.
Out. Reloaded. Chief moving in.
You hear me tell you they're pushing this side?
They're pushing this side. Enemy down. Watch right.
After my teammate calls out Thunderbee, I move up in order to avoid getting blown up in the back. Turns out that it's around the corner and it was a dud. So I was safe and I moved back into cover to get protected again.
I'm just going to stay up against this wall for a second. Guy moving up, right side.
And that's the end of the HVT round at Intrigue Airsoft in Kansas City, Missouri. To find out more about Intrigue Airsoft, visit my website at airsoftwarrior.net. Again, I'm Blake the Airsoft Warrior, and thank you for watching Airsoft Warrior TV.